tell you now, I spent 3 years in a jailhouse and 15 years in prison. You get what I say? One time, when time, me there in my teen, about 18, 19, so and my father get work for me down at the factory, down at the sugar factory there. You get what I say? So, me there in the sugar factory I working on this female, and I want to tell us that female so like me first, but from me get to work the female into me now. So, the female live at one place when we have to pass. Every man, go work, You see me? And every evening when I come from work, and so I learn me there on night shift and so. You see me? So, start talk to her now and before I go work and so, man, me and her a date. You get to, when me say date, me as in like we make date and we link up and so every time and before I go work and so on. Squeeze up and fuck when me can get fuck and so on. Time. So, the female and get pregnant. You get what I say? And her mother start real grand X throughout the female, And anytime I live in a one house name, one kind of barrack house still, but more kind of developing like a scheme, named Ivan scheme. Anybody supposed to know about the Ivan scheme there? Remember about the storm we blow? You see me? Anytime the Ivan scheme just make up to people me are telling about that about 30 years back too. You see me? So when time me and I didn't know, I'm gone at work, left my baby mother. Then time the baby born and everything, we live in and everything good. You see me? Me and her go good enough. And me I tell you, so we are come from journey, I think, and look at me and her go through. You see me? So me and her live together, And me gone to work. You see me? Left me baby mother there, and you see when me go to work, then work now go on that day there. You know remember what go on? But they say no work now go on. So then turn me back. Then give me half day pay and then turn me back. Anybody who work a factory know understand what I talk about. So then give me half day pay and then turn me back. You see me? So when me I go up now, you see couple people when we reach near me yard, couple people start to whisper, but me that man here is kind of clean, So me like a woman said to one of him friends, say, I bet say him I go see man up
there. Yeah, man. 15 years in prison. Yeah, man. So this young man is actually telling a story of how he actually went in prison for 15 years. Yeah, man. So welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. So I actually have a video I actually want to share with you guys. Yeah, man. It's actually a story of a young man, telling his story of how he actually went to prison for 15 years. Yeah, man. So it actually sad how it actually, how it actually transpired, but he's actually gonna tell in his video how it actually happened. Yeah, man. It's very interesting. Yeah, man. Just sharing the moment with you guys. Yeah, man. So yeah, actually go to that was actually part one. Yeah, man. So I'm actually gonna play part two. So we just do a follow up and see how this actually happened.
You get what me I say? So when me hear them I say, I bet say them I go see man up there. And so me go on like me no hear still. And I go up on my yard normal, same way. So you see, people, you see, before me reach actually in my yard, me hear one bawling, people. Before me reach in my yard, like, get me reach, people. Me hear one bawling, And I get what me I say. And yes, when me look, I'm a baby that the pan the veranda,
Just a bad girl that man. Eh? Baby, the palm veranda, brother. Jano.
And the house door locking on my baby up on the veranda and balling in the house, no people. You get what me I say? So, I say I want to go on. Because the woman checks me well there work. And I work to come in the evening. So, I say, and then I saw me I really go on back on my back all the years when time I work and feel everything good. So, me no bother make no noise. Me never bother trouble me baby now nothing more. Me just take past and go in a one little kitchen part where me have side of my veranda and take up my cutlass.
Babes, I tell her, yeah, so the badness start. Eh? So the man actually going, catch certain activity a go on in a place and then decide say, I'm going to take up him cutlass. Anyway, me not spoil the story, but you hear what I say.
So, me take up my cutlass people and me go on my back door, because around my back door, me can pull it from outside. Me know if you put me on and pull it from outside. You understand? And them don't lock the front door already. So, that's when me go on. And me go like some bomb and take time to like them sweet, you know, they not hear me now nothing, you know. Pull it back door, so when me pull it and open the back door. And the man that pan top of my woman, you know. I drive cocky, you know, and me I tell her say.
So the man actually go in and go do damage. No, this I don't know if you actually glorify anyway still. But the man actually go in and go see another man pan a woman. Hmm?
The woman yeah shit. And the man I drive cocky and even see say me turn up back on him with my cutlass. You understand? And me I say, Lord, when me fi do people, cause me never want to go to jail, you know. So, you see, when me heist me and people, me mind change from chop him to slap him. So, that's when me drop it in him back. And he feel he slap people, the man ease up and he take by himself. Me couldn't get free by the time he go so fi give me second one. He just gauge off of him and go touch for me woman round there. And for me woman, and chop her down, me name me for slap she. You see me? And take out myself back off of the man with me cutlass, you know, because me tell myself, say, me have to kill this one here, you know. You understand? Me not think about nothing, you know, people, and me I tell us, say, me dey back on him with the cutlass, you know. And you don't know which part he go drop people. And right round a bell rock, you know, he go drop, you know. That are the basic school, the boy go drop, you know, people. And so when I go over him and give him the first one in the head, I come like my mind change again from slap to chop. And the first one split in head.
Well, all I can say a straight murder that. You understand? So now we actually understand how you actually get the 15 years. Yeah, man. You classify that as manslaughter. You know, manslaughter you actually call it. You know, dude. Anyway, we want you more of the story anyway still.
And people, me never hesitate. Me never hesitate. Me have to put one more, you see, second one. The chopping head sideways like so. No, I will send Thomas listen up people on my way. And a gun me I deal with him and mash it, you know, people. And you see, in that try to get up to you know. I mean I tell all when you head stay so you know people. And still get up in and run now. And when you run go me on the floor and stolen I go for you if you fling back and wine about. He could do nothing more and go drop. And that's why I have to go by.
Oh, the one buckle out of that.
No, I'm serious. More time I remember. When I remember serious, we take him a joke. But I saw he come and I tell us I have to go over him and I have to chop him up, mince him up, man. You see when time they come, when they come couple hours from that we take him up and shovel him up, use and scoop him up and put him in one box, man. You see, say me run. Out of station, me walk, go me la bring it, but me make it stay. So I saw me have to say, go, so people, when you learn to go in, go in for man, woman a year. Rather worse when you're not sure if the man will come home or come back.
Well, peeps, that is nothing to laugh about. That is nothing to laugh about. Yeah, man. 15 years in prison. Yeah, man. That is how um, this young man actually find himself a workhouse. You know, because find him human, I do things. Anyway, I play part 3. Because, yeah, man, one year what actually transpired, you know, the whole story. The whole story. Yeah, man.
And you see, next thing, people, you see, prison life is not a good life. Me, I tell them about 15 years I prison when me, I tell them about them. You see me? People, first thing, look, when you see how I walk on ice and drops, when you see how I walk on ice and drops, you think, say, I saw me did born to walk. I never saw me born to walk, people, and since me go jail and come back.
Yeah, man, prison life is nice. We all know that. Yeah, man. So if you do the crime, you do the time, and things will happen to you. Yeah, man. So just make this be a lesson to everybody still, you know, badness not pay no at all. Tell you the honest truth. Sometimes when you see certain things are going on in a relationship, sometimes I better you just walk out. Right? Tell you the honest truth. Yeah, man.
Them broke me up in there, me I tell you how it go. After me go in jail, you know, and when me go up on one you. You see me, a whole criminal flying off with district too, you know, where them beat and police car go jail and something, you know. You see me? And me see all one next one in there to a rape of people, girl kidney and they are prison to see them there. So me they are prison there. Me see them and me see a couple of them and me did there enough people. So, you see when tiny water them came, go put me in one cell. First thing when me reach in, me them and midnight, yeah, big artist coming, now that Jesse Steve strike and them and knock grill and a shake grill and a make up beer and I say, yeah, wait. A president I come to jail now, I come to prison. So, me I want them time me I fretting on myself and a chimble. You see me call me I say, terrible something this and now. So, the water carry me now go.
So where you go to prison for?
You know, hear me I tell a man, chop up the man. Man when me go catch with me woman. So, when we reach in myself now, you understand? 3 more man done there in my cell already, you know, so me turn to the ward and me I say, then officer, general, you couldn't find one empty cell put me in a.
This is something something to laugh about. Eh? This is something we actually laugh about. Hmm? You go to prison and you feel like say you get special treatment. Eh? That not sound right. Eh? When you go to prison, you just know so it's just a bag of man. You go find yourself monks. January stuff.
No, say at first me I come at them a place and I no used to them or something, you know. And you put me in a cell with 3 man in this rasta. And him a say, oh boy, if you see how so this thing go, you think how you come ask where you want and the boy shut me the like so to rat it. Lock grill, boom. When he lock the grill, me feel me I go so boom. And me I say, bumbo clock. Sit down in one corner there and start look far. Come like say me last same time. Me hear one of my brother say, yo, you good? Yo, you good? Around 3 times he say it before me could have say, yeah man. I say, boy, you know, yeah man, I talk to you, I go like, you know, answer. You see me, I say, yeah, I live that through, my meds gone, my meds are there, so. You see me? And me hear the man say, ah,
Yeah, man. So that was actually part three. So my understanding now is that he actually share the experience be inside at the prison as well. Yeah, man. So peeps, not nice like freedom. Tell anybody that. So no for these people where you see I preach badness and it's like, how they get out of prison? Hmm? What they get out of prison? Yeah, some you have a whole heap of man out there where it's like I ain't that in love. I don't what they find night, I don't know. But anyway still you can actually see say this man was actually like traumatized. Yeah man, but we finish here and you must say still I will just talk about it.
Artist. Me I say, yeah man, me artist, but me no boss it, me just a do music. And Steam Strike me name. Yes, me I say, Steam Strike. I say, yeah, go be a radar in here. Me I say, what do you mean by that? Say, no, yeah, go sing, man. And me I say, but me no have the vibes enough to sing. Me I say, no worry yourself, man. Me say, you have nothing? Me say, no, sir. So me start. He said, no, sir, search your pocket, man. So me start search my pocket. No. Me start dipping in my pocket now and from in a jail cell me do have one weed where me crush out and have dipping in my pocket. They see me see that so. They see me so I say, what? Boy a millionaire man a rich. So he shake out my pocket like so. You understand? And then go and then get to them and get and then build up to them and build up and you see you have one lighter head. Not this a lighter, you know, just one little piece of lighter like so. The boy have and me see him get one tissue now. And me see him split the tissue in a half and walk me again. So it is to get thin now. So he using lighter head now and him go so. And go so me see fire blaze up. Me say bumbo clad. The man a magic man in here man. So me I say, oh, I learn same time. When me look over there, so now me see one next man now have a beer something tie up around him, something pretty something. Indeed they look like female, well beard up now and tan one way and he look wild and then indeed they stay like so. Indeed they stay like so, he come like say, he last in and making away, man making and me I tell you say, man make sound decent. So when them pretty to your foot, me I say, blood, you see me? Where them man find time to make them thing. So anyway.
You mean where man then find time? The daily man then.
No, me just drop in, you know, so me nah free, so we have enough time in our world, we can't done. So anyway, we there and me I tell you say, for first day, me there feel like a 1 year me there for 1 day, you know. So till night come now, you know. When night come now and we go up on one of the bunk. Yeah man, so where you do upon that? Zoop! Lick me off a gun to blood clot. Me I say, what the fuck I go on you know? You see me? So, me I say, so I go on you know for me? And me I say, a newcomer man, you have to hold it firm. And me I say, buckle, and you know me now, I just be suit me have on or something, you know, me no get nothing yet and them things.
Prison life I no be the roots. Prison life I know nothing nice. Prison life. No come in like paradise. Anyway, peeps. Yeah man, historic and interesting anyway still, but you know, I don't know nothing for actually glorify, you know. That is actually his experience being in prison, you know, for the 15 years of actually um, you know, hurting somebody else. Yeah man, in that way. Anyway, yeah man. So we actually reach a part 5. So we just kinda we just kinda go through um yeah man, I kinda just come to where actually I say. Yeah man, but bless up on yourself man. Yeah.
You see me? So, Me I say, so how go on you know for me? And I say, you're a newcomer, man, you have to hold it firm. And I say, and then know me now, I just me suit me have on or something, me no get nothing yet and them thing there. So, spread out my suit around and one of them did they give me a couple paper, me spread them out for spread out my suit on them and say, alright, and I hold it firm and start going deep again. Me I tell us, me can't sleep to see the night coming like a 1 more year. Night, just them 2 night and day there. You see me? So me I say, oh, me I go live out this ratchet and now 15 years in a jail, in a prison. I understand. So, when me...
Life is so funny. You know, so you have to commit a murder. And, click in your head for say, you have to kill this man and you have to go to prison. I want to make you tell you still, peeps. It's when a man in a temper, there are so many things can happen anyway still. Nobody is perfect. Yeah, man.
Then there night, Then there I'm sleep and wake up in the morning. Me a man say, oi, you come a crow. And me I say, you come a crow. And what do my man I say no? And what do you mean by that? Yeah. So me say no, what do you mean? What do you mean you come a crow? I say, oi, I have a rooster now, I have to wake you up 6 o'clock every morning. I say, me, I go wake.
That actually is something to laugh about still. So they actually I say the man, I even wait about my mind. That kind of so funny still. Now because they actually hold one day, I pay about this going to prison, brother. Me tell you man, I hope some people learn from this thing as a prison are nice.
No, 6 o'clock every morning. You know, man, I'm a madman, man. But me no say them a madman, cause me can't do this them yet, cause me have to watch me a go on with night, So, anyway, me I say me no know about that, me never know if you do that, me no know about that. Man jump down and find bunk plank and I say, oh, you don't know if you crow? Me say, crow. Girl, me up and place, and me say, oh, me no know about that. You see me? And me I did it and me say, alright, I get a chance, but you see a morning, don't make me tell you to crow, Cause I broke, we are going to broke you up, man. I say, alright.
So ready to crow next morning?
Crow, man. Crow, man. Remember, next man no comment no anyway. So, but we didn't know. And it's like, me and me deep and also still I want to look a piece of lyrics coming at me and me I say, what you call again? A prison song that we there make for again in a prison. And me I say, in a Spanish town, dirty prison, with me back against the wall, night upon Jamaica, him hear me after all. But how could it be? Them lock me up and gone. Is that...
Well, brother, I want to make you answer. Nobody put you there but yourself. Yeah, man. You spread a bit hard, you have to listen like on night. Yeah, man. So, anyway, guys, actually kinda reach part 6. Yeah, man. So this is actually the last part of his story being in the prison for 15 years. Yeah, man. So, so unfortunate, things do happen anyway still, but it's just how we actually go about it. Yeah, man. So we're just gonna play the last clip, of the last part of the story.
In a Spanish town, dirty prison, with me back against the wall, night upon Jamaica, him hear me after all. But how could it be? Them lock me up and gone. It's like them lock me up and throw away the key. Society. So anyway, people, it's song that me make from them time from back in the days. So people can tell you, a prison me find that it's song. She's supposed to be inside. So, anyway. So, yeah. Somebody didn't know. And me a pray and me a mesmere man. Say, yo, sing out me could hear you now, sir. Why you sing all your song them, you know, cause a long time we don't hear you. So, you know, man, about two kind of band vibe. Me start sing. Me start drop me song them, man. Then start them bust shot and them bust this and them that. So, when time food come now, me see, a man say, yo, offer your food after me here, sir. And the man get film food already, you know.
So the man all get all bad up in a prison. Eh? If you crow 6 o'clock in the morning and share your food, half of your food for your next man. People badness not going nowhere. Eh? Where badness I go?
And the man I tell me say half of my food I feel. So me start to say no man, it come like a program them man I so one program me. And means a man me not take program. Not even road me not take program, you know, people, not even work me not take program, you know.
So already
the first time I work, me tell a boss boy suck him mother him I try program me for the work, you know.
So already end up by time for years.
So here what go on now, no, anyway. Listen what go on. I just say first fight I go on, you know. So me I say, oh, you know, say from me there, I can't get mad now, you know. Me I say, you know, say from me cuss too bad word and something say, you know, say me there, you know, you find out say a program the whole I don't want to come program me. I say, oh, you mean so want to come program? So you know, if you take program boy, Ray and them start to style back and I say, look like me not take program, you know. You see me? So me see one want come cross. So when you want come cross, so me I say, oh, come like say a war them man I pray now. You see that the one they come now? You see me I go and look white something. I don't know if a plastic fork or war or something when you use. Eat with or what. You see me? And me have my plastic fork too. You see me? And me I say, but this can't do nobody no. And me I wonder if they have weapon, because we don't use enough time in boy they have some weapon in there. So, me see three of them get up now. You see me? And surround me and now. So
Anyway, the story actually end right there. Anyway, yeah man. If you actually make it to this end of this video, yeah man, do appreciate you, you know, tagging along. You know, it was actually an interesting story. Now glorify prison life anyway still because you know, it's not right to kill anybody. You know, you have other ways of actually dealing with a situation anyway, but yeah man, that is it, you know. Very interesting story. Hope you guys actually kind of find it interesting as well. Yeah man, so this young man actually went to prison 15 years for, you know, for actually killing somebody. Because him claim very well in going and say man pani woman. Yeah man, anyway. Yeah man, so give her thanks. Yeah man, just do the right. Yeah man, like, comment and share. You know, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah man, it was a very interesting story. Yeah man. Alright guys, so until the next video. Yeah man, you know, just do the right thing. Bless upon yourself. Do appreciate all you guys, your views, you know, your comments and so forth. Yeah man, do appreciate it. Until the next video, yeah man, bless up yourself, stay safe and give her thanks. Yeah man, I'm out.